Installing your pit bull safety cover correctly means reducing the risk of injury and improving reliability. Please follow all instructions and refer to your installation manual for additional support. If you have further questions, please contact a pit bull representative at 832-515-8385. You'll need the following tools to correctly install your pit bull safety cover. In addition, you'll also need all kit materials and the hardware bag to complete installation. Finally, don't forget to use all necessary personal protection equipment during the installation process. Before you begin, make sure you've removed all flammable products from the service bay and that any paint, grease, or debris are removed from the area before welding. Start the installation process by measuring the distance between your tire guides. Tire guides must be parallel within 1/4 inch for correct installation. If they are not parallel, add shims as needed. Once the tire guides are parallel, weld the steel sliding channels to the metal railing on both sides, alternating 1-inch welds spaced 12 inches apart. If you need to extend the length of the sliding channels, flare both sections coming together and weld the top to secure both in place. Once the sliding channels are welded into place, cut the active and passive rods to the correct length. You'll need to subtract 4 inches from the track width to get the correct final length. After you cut the rods, insert the ends into the rod adapters. Slide the rods into the tracks using the bolts and washer or hook. Adjust the tension of the pit bull safety cover using the drill and bolt adjuster on each T-bolt, drilling them down to the correct depth and cutting off excess length as needed. Then, slide the bolts and cover into the track. Drill 2 1/4 inch holes through the center channel on all corners at 1 inch and 2 inches from each end. Insert long bolts into the 1 inch to create stop on passive end. Then, insert detent pins into the 2-inch holes on all corners. Using a propane torch, heat a screwdriver until red hot and poke holes through the crisscrossed fabric in the bottom 2 rows of the pit bull safety cover. Fold the fabric ends over the rod, creating a pocket, and secure it with a screw and nut. Use washers to narrow holes if necessary. Use a blowtorch to burn off any excess fabric and seal the edges and tightening bolts to secure in place. Remove detent pin and slide cover between 1 inch and 2 inch drilled holes, and insert detent pin again at bottom to secure. Latch each lanyard to the closest T-bolt. Apply this same process for the second side, creating and sealing a pocket for the other rod. Spray grease or dry graphite into the track to ensure bolts move smoothly. Finally, place the no-step signs about 2 to 3 feet from the foot of both ends, using magnetic pins and backings to secure the cover. Your pit bull safety cover installation is now complete. If you have any questions about processes or materials, please call a representative today.